Now we're going to practice some of the sounds of English. Okay, sounds of English, and we have the A and we have the A. Okay, so we have A is for Alaska. I'm going to go ahead and read them and then we'll do it together. Okay, A is for Alaska, Alaska and Montana, Alabama, California, and Arizona too. North Carolina, South Carolina, and also A is for Alaska, Alaska and Montana, Alabama, California, and Arizona too. Now, on your own. A is for Alaska. Repeat after me. Alabama. 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 Good. There you go, Letty. Come on, are you Letty?
Alabama.
Okay, there you go. Good. Then we have another sound for our A. That's not ours, que no es el de nosotros, right? We have name, game, came, same. So if we have the E at the end, it's going to give the A different sound. Okay, one more time. All together. Okay, all together. Name. We've been practicing the S sound, okay, as in Alaska.
Alaska.
Okay, and we've been practicing the different sound of the A that we do not have in Spanish. Okay, states,
State.
game,
Game.
hate,
Hate.
made.
Made.
Okay, so what if this E wasn't here? Would it be hate? What if this E wasn't here? Where it says hate, what if that E wasn't there? Would it still be hate? Okay, right there with no E?
No.
What would it be? No, hate. If the E wasn't there, así. Okay, so we have, let me give you an example. Okay, you have hate. Okay, what if that E wasn't there? Hat. Okay, so and hate, hat and hate.